How's it going, everyone? Laser here, and today we'll be unboxing the GMMK Pro from Glorious, but that's not all the products that we'll be checking out today. Apart from the keyboard, we also have Gateron switches from Glorious. Those are black Gateron switches. And some keycaps, the GPBT Premium PBT keycaps, also from Glorious, so we're going to do a full Glorious build. Those are the Black Ash keycaps, and we'll also have a look at them. Nice black and orange theme, really like it. It's a common thing for Glorious products. About us, pamphlet, information about the products. We also get a sticker. Hope you can see this, Glorious sticker. And inside we find the keyboard. Let's see how it looks like. Oh, it's a very heavy keyboard. So inside, apart from the keyboard, you will find a USB-C cable. Standard USB-C cable, not a coiled one, and probably if you want to make your set a bit more unique, you're going to upgrade to a coiled one anyway. We have a keycap puller, we have a switch puller here as well. Pretty standard stuff from Glorious. I mean, you get the same switch puller for if you buy the GMMK Compact. And there's also some additional screws. And what's this? Extra gasket strips. Oh, this is really thoughtful from Glorious. They acknowledge that there are some variances when doing the matching process of the GMMK Pro, and you might need to use those. It's not said that you will have to, but it's very nice that they included as well, so that you can make your typing experience much better if there are any problems with the matching of the case. Okay, let's get this out of the way. And let's see what the keyboard looks like. It's really heavy. It's made of aluminium. Oh, very nice looking keyboard, very minimalistic. Already like it. There's a Glorious GMMK Pro branding here just under the spacebar. We also have a knob, which has a very satisfying step to it. It's very nice. And this click is just amazing. I don't know if you can hear it. Very satisfying as well. Very good. So let's see if there are any dents, faults, some issues with the board, mechanical issues. So far I see none. It's a fingerprint magnet for sure. I mean, craftsmanship looks really nice. I don't see any dents, any issues with the mechanical parts here. The keyboard looks really nice, really clean. Everything looks good. As you can see, the board comes assembled, apart from the switches and keycaps, of course, which you need to buy separately. The keyboard is a gasket type keyboard, which means that the PCB board that you see here, it lies between the top half and the bottom half. It's like sandwiched between. You get the stabilizers from Glorious, which are over here. Yeah, I mean, I have no remarks when it comes to this case. It looks really good, really clean, really well designed, and really well built as well. So definitely a good choice for someone who's more serious into mechanical keyboards but doesn't want to spend too much money. Even though it's not the cheapest one, it's also not the most expensive one available out there. It costs like $170, $180. So yeah, pretty good choice. And now I'm going to put this over here and let's check out the switches now. I chose the Gateron Blacks because I just want to check out what they feel like. So far I have been using the Gateron Browns, which are like tactile switch with not just noticeable tactile response when you press them, but I also wanted to try the linear black ones from Gateron. Okay, this is what they look like. You also get some goodies from Glorious here. This is the switch. And we'll see how it works. I'm definitely going to build it. Here you can see the switch. This is really nice. You also get a pair of pincers to help you with lubing the switches, and those are great for beginning. I really prefer the angled ones because it gives you just much more flexibility, but those are also really nice and a nice addition to the whole set. And now the keycaps. Here's the whole set. Oh, I really like the color. I did not expect it to be like a dark gray, but it looks great. I really like it. By the way, you need to be aware, those are not see-through fonts, so if you're all about RGB, you need to pick something else because the fonts on this keyboard will not let the RGB light through. This is something I wanted, this is something I was aware of, so it's going to fit my idea of the board perfectly. But like I said, if you want to have a see-through light and the RGB effects on the fonts visible as well, you need to pick something else, not those. This is the whole set, and you also get a keycap puller, which is really great, although I prefer using the wired keycap puller because I think it just has a lower chance of damaging the switch. This one is too stiff for my taste, and I'm too afraid that you can scratch your keycaps. I think the wired one is much better and will suit you better, especially if you're doing a lot of builds. So yeah, this is the whole set. This is something I'm going to build over the next, probably even today. So stay tuned if you want to see the final effect. Remember to subscribe to stay notified when the video is up. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Laser, and I'll see you soon.